Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger couponing deals, plus the 3-day sale that will run through from Friday, November 23rd through Tuesday, November 27th. All right, so you heard that right. It is only a 5-day sale, which is unusual for Kroger. They did that because of Thanksgiving. They just let the sale from last week run through Thanksgiving, and they started a new one today, which is Friday, and it's only going to last till Tuesday. With that being said, this is a really, like, an extremely slow week. Like, probably the slowest week I've ever seen at Kroger since I started couponing. But, yeah, so here I went ahead and typed out some reminders. This had a little run from Friday through Thursday. We'll have a new sale on Wednesday, and I really think it's going to be a mega event or something a lot better than this one. I will have the ad preview tomorrow, like I always do on Saturdays. Come back for that. A lot of the deals from last week are actually still valid, like that baking event and the mini mega event. So check out those videos from last week. And you might even be able to find deals that I missed. I mean, there's a chance that I missed something or just didn't see it. So check out for that. You still could potentially find some really good deals at Kroger that I missed. Clearances, markdowns, that stuff's always going to vary. And you really could score big if you find stuff like that. So look out for that. And then the other thing, maybe this is just a good time for you to take a break and not worry about going to Kroger this week. Because unless you really need these things, you might not necessarily have to go there. I still would encourage you to sit and watch the video, because if you're going to Kroger anyways, you might as well grab these things. However, I don't know if it's so urgent that you need to make a special trip into Kroger or not. I don't know. It kind of depends on if these are things you want. But if you just want to take a coupon vacation, go ahead and do it. This would be a great week to take a vacation from couponing. We're only getting a P&G on Sunday, which a video is on the way for that. I'm getting caught up on videos with the holidays. It's been my schedule with YouTube's been all like different. But the P&G preview is coming. So it's a very slow week for couponing, so you can even potentially take a little bit of a break if you want to. So yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, we're just going to dive into the deals that we do have. We might as well talk about them. Thank you to Red's Gal 21 Cincy for this, the Barilla Red Lentil Pasta. Where I'm at, it's $2.50. I'm in the Columbus district, which is pretty much the bulk of Ohio for Kroger. It's $2.50, but Red's Gal 21 Cincy, which she's in Cincinnati, said it was $2.69. So it could vary. But anyways, it's a $3 Ibotta rebate that I submit. I actually tested this deal and it works just fine. $3 Ibotta, so it makes it as low as a 50-cent moneymaker. If you're in an area where it's $2.69, it's going to be a 31-cent moneymaker. Regardless, a money-making deal on some pasta, phenomenal deal. So the Crest toothpaste, it's $1.99. It's on that buy 4, save 4 mega event. So you really need to keep that in mind. You have to buy 4 participating products to get the deal, so it might not even be worth it for you. You're getting a $2 coupon in the upcoming P&G, which does make it free, but you have to do the mega event. And I did a video last week all about the items on the mega event. So go in the description box below to see those videos. So it would make the toothpaste free if you did the mega event. Here is a your mileage may vary. I did do this deal and it worked just fine. The Suave Kids shampoo is $1.99. Check your Kroger digitals, or even they might send you paper coupons still for best customer bonus coupons. I had a $2 off of 2 digital coupon, and Smooch the Cook, which is Amy, she had a $1 off coupon. So you'd pay 99 cents per bottle. There's a $1 Ibotta, so it makes it as low as free. And if you have the 2 off 2, you got both of them for free. So that'd be an awesome deal. But keep in mind, it is a best customer bonus coupon, and there's no guarantee that you'll get it. But that'd be an awesome freebie if you had it. Okay, so here we go with the 3-day sale. This will run through Sunday, which is really weird. Kroger usually doesn't let these run through Sunday, I don't believe. But anyways, they did this time. We have the Kroger butter. These are with 5 times digitals, by the way. $1.99. Costco pasta sauce is 99 cents. You have to load the digital coupons to get it for that price. And here's a very odd variation. Amy told me she was watching someone else, and in that store, they had a Kroger. Theirs was the Keebler crackers for 99 cents, but for Amy and me, they were both Nabisco. So you could potentially have Keebler, and if you had Keebler, it'd be a much better deal There are Ibotta rebates and there are coupons. You could potentially walk out there with a money-making deal if you got the Keebler minis. But I'm a little confused why they have it like differentiate like that. But that's something to consider. I think those are all good prices on the crackers, the butter, and on the Classico. Phenomenal deals. The crock pot, I don't really think that's a good price. If you've seen how cheap we've been getting them, and you guys should go online and even in the store and get cheaper crock pots right now because it's Black Friday. So I would stand off of that on the crock pot. Also, I find it kind of interesting. If you think about it, who needs 5 crock pots? I just think it's funny that they have it up to 5 times. Like you go in Kroger and you get 5 of these crock pots. I think that'd be hilarious. But yeah, if you want 5 crock pots, then that's a good solution. Here's another. Your mileage may vary. If you want to do this deal, you can buy 6 of the Lay's kettle chips at $1.77. You can use 2 of those buy 2 get 1 free peelies. A lot of us have been finding that take off $3.54. You can submit for $1 on 2 Ibotta rebate, which would make it $6.08 for 6 bags or $1.01 a piece, which is a really good deal. That's actually a phenomenal deal on those Lay's kettle cooked chips. Yeah, that's all that I have for now. I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm so sorry that I couldn't find more deals. I really tried. I just don't think they're there this week. Next week should be a lot better. Just these slower. This is a very slow week at Kroger. I think this is only 5 days. I didn't feel like starting some really good sale, so I understand that. So yeah, that's all that I have, and thanks for watching.